the same palette that I was using yesterday. I think I'd shown this palette yesterday, yes. So get you a neutral palette because this is going to be a very, very neutral smoky eye. Now, I had also mentioned yesterday something called a transition shade, which is what we are going to be using today. So I'm just going to use the same transition shade I used yesterday in, a very warm tone all over my lids like this. As you can see, that color is really, really, really warm. So I'm just going roughly all over my lid. Now, once that shade is packed right all over your lid, okay, at this point you can darken the shade. There's nothing wrong with that. But you're gonna need a brown pencil. Any brown pencil will do, really. Or even black if you have black. And if you're comfortable enough using black. I like brown, especially for beginners, because brown is really easy to blend on almost all skin tones. It's very neutral. So this is why I like brown. So we're gonna use this brown pencil and make sure like the brown pencil isn't dead. I don't know, some brown pencils kind of die, so like at least it can draw some. Okay, and then we're gonna just go in to kind of like we're tight lining, but on the top of our lid, very close to the base of our lashes, and we're just gonna like draw that. At this point you can also use a gel liner if you don't have a pencil, but I think everyone has a pencil, that's why I used the pencil. And you're gonna just draw that. Now you're gonna grab another brush, this flat-ish brush, but very densely packed if you have one. If you don't, just use any blending brush you have, but I really do prefer a packed brush. And then we're just gonna try to blend the brown out so it's not such a harsh line, like this. Now I'm doing the same on this other lid. Just carefully blending that. Make sure you don't get any bristles inside your eye because it really hurts.